In this video, I'll guide you through how to terminate a compute cluster in Azure Databricks. Whether you're trying to manage cloud costs or simply tidy up your workspace, knowing how to effectively terminate a cluster is an essential skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge to do this quickly and efficiently. First things first, you need to log into your Azure Databricks workspace. If you haven't already done so, head over to your browser and enter the Azure Databricks URL. Sign in with your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all the action happens, so it's good to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if you're new to it. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a navigation sidebar filled with various options. From here, click on the option labeled Compute. This is your go-to section for managing clusters, and it's where you'll initiate the termination process. As you click on Compute, a grid list of clusters will appear on your screen. This list includes all clusters associated with your workspace, both active and inactive. You'll want to focus on finding your active cluster. These are marked with a solid green circle beside their names, making them easy to identify at a glance. Take a moment to locate the specific cluster you wish to terminate. Now, once you've found your active cluster, move your cursor over to the right side of that cluster's row. You'll notice several icons appear. Your target is the square icon, which represents the stop or terminate command. This is an important step, so make sure you're clicking on the correct icon. It's essentially the command button that will initiate the termination process. Click on the square, stop, terminate button. This action will prompt a pop-up notification to appear on your screen. The purpose of this notification is to confirm your decision to terminate the cluster. It's a safety feature designed to prevent accidental terminations, which can be particularly useful if you manage multiple clusters. To proceed, click on the confirm button within the pop-up. Doing so will finalize the termination of the cluster. It may take a moment for the process to complete, so be patient. Once the cluster is terminated, it will no longer appear as active in your list, meaning it's successfully been shut down. Congratulations, you've just learned how to terminate a compute cluster in Azure Databricks. This process not only helps you manage your resources more effectively, but also prevents unnecessary costs from accruing on your Azure bill. It's a straightforward task, but one that can have a significant impact on the efficiency of your operations. If you're managing multiple clusters, make it a habit to regularly review which ones are active and terminate those that are not in use. This practice will help you keep your workspace organized and cost-effective. I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the process for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your Azure resources. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.